Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You're on S Motorsports. If you're new to the channel, this is my 2018 Camaro 1LE 1SS. Also, I got my 1985 Trans Am that I'm also working on the channel. Been doing a little bit more Camaro stuff lately, but you know, haven't forgot about the Trans Am. Still got a lot of parts, but kind of focusing on the Camaro because obviously it's new to me. So, but today we got a small project, tinted side marker lights. So I picked these up off of eBay. These are they were relatively inexpensive. There's really no markings on them, which one is which in terms of back, front for the red versus yellow. So we're gonna give these a shot and see how they work. They may or may not work, not sure. Gonna give them a try though, see how they turn out. But yeah, let's work on the Camaro today. All right, so the front side marker I'm gonna start with first because that's probably the easier one out of the two. You can kind of see, I don't know if you can see this on camera or not, but you can see the line of LEDs in there on this guy. It's gonna light up the whole side instead of just a single bulb point. So let's give it a try. I'm not sure if this is the right color or not, but basically on the front ones, you can just put your finger in. Let's see. There is a little slot right here that you can fit your hand in, and you can push on the tab of this marker, which you're pushing on this right here to pop this out. Okay, I was hoping that was gonna pop right out, but looks like I have to use a little screwdriver to get this covering out so I can push the other clip. Here you can see the glow in the center versus hopefully the LEDs will get a whole strip. I did have to rotate the wheel a little bit to get this, make it a little easier to get this screw out. Oh, that is bright. All right, pop this in. That's what the stock looks like. And what this one looks like. Kind of cool. Okay, for the rear one, looks like, I don't know if you guys can see that. There's one screw there, one screw down there. We'll see if I can just get away with taking one out or both. This, I will have to use the ratchet though, again. Okay, so what I did find out is the plug in the back here it, you know, it is polarity sensitive, so it didn't work the first time when I plugged it in, so I had to take this out and turn it 180 and plug back in, and then it worked. So now I think we're good to go to install this. All right, guys, so got them all installed. I think they look really good. So these were like $29, 30 some bucks shipped. Whoops. I mean, I think they look good. They seem nice and bright. So I mean, I don't know what else you can ask for. So way cheaper than some other products on the market. Kind of taking a step back. I mean, I think I don't know how you can go wrong. Yeah, you know, I had to put a little double-sided tape on these front ones, but I mean, they look good. They sit pretty dang flush, you know. Maybe stick out just a tiny bit more than factory, but I mean, you can't really notice that. I mean, I think they look good for, like I said, 30 bucks. Well, guys, thanks for joining me. Again, I know a big majority of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed to the channel. So if you could please subscribe, that would help me out a lot as I'm trying to grow the channel. Also, you know, give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed today. Something simple, but definitely just changes the look a little bit. Like I said, you really can't go wrong for 30 bucks. I can try and put a link in here in the description, but with eBay, you know, things kind of come and go. So I don't know if that's really going to work, but basically I just searched 2016, you know, to 18, you know, Camaro side marker lights. These popped up. I'm trying to think, I believe they did ship from overseas. So that tells you why they're cheaper. But yeah, I think all in all, they installed pretty good and look good. So good upgrade. Thanks for joining in. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like I said, if you're not already subscribed to the channel. And if you are, thanks. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys have a fantastic day, and we'll see you next time.